Watching this, you will never throw away corn silk. Have you noticed those little fibers on corn on the cob? Usually, when we eat corn, we throw them out without realizing they have medicinal properties. Recent studies show that corn silk tea can be even healthier than corn itself. That's because it has anti-inflammatory properties that help clear your urinary tract and fight colds and mucus. In addition, it's highly recommended for those who suffer from kidney and bladder diseases. Corn silk can also help a lot with rheumatic diseases since it eliminates toxins through your urine. Great at relieving kidney pain, accumulating fluid in the body, and improving liver health. Corn silk does all of this because it's strong natural diuretic. This is why it contributes positively towards the prevention and treatment of various health problems that come from fluid accumulation. Corn silk tea can reduce kidney cramps and improve kidney function, as well as prevent the appearance of kidney stones. Corn silk also has potent anti-inflammatory as well. Also great at treating rheumatic disease, arthritis, and gout. Consuming this tea lowers high blood pressure, regulates cholesterol and blood sugar levels, and facilitates coagulation. If you are overweight due to fluid retention, this tea can be a great oil during your weight loss journey. Now that you know all of the benefits of corn silk, you must be wondering how to consume it. The most ways through corn silk tea. Here's what you do. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dried corn silk, preferably organic corn, 1 cup of water. Instructions: put the corn silk in the water and let it sit for a few minutes. Once the time is up, strain the water. If you don't like the taste, add a few drops of lemon juice. If you need measurements in order to make large quantities, use 25 grams, something around 1 tablespoon of corn silk for each liter of water. It's recommended that you drink this tea